Hello everyone, I'm going to cook bamboo shoot with milk, coconut milk and crab shrimp with some saluyot, they call saluyots, okra and water spinach, and also of course the lemongrass. It's very delicious guys, you have to try it. So first, you have to boil the water and boil the bamboo shoot, which is already sliced inside the can. And also this is water spinach, we call saluyot, and I cut that little bit, sliced little bit the leaves first from my garden, and I have to add like salt and then mash it really well so it came out the slimy. So now the okra also is the same process. Okra I cut small size. It's harvest from my garden. It's very fresh. And also 2 tablespoons of oil and add like 1/2 of onion slice. And you have to stir it, making sure the onion is half cooked. Now pork cloves of garlic fresh. I don't slice, I just mash it. So now when the garlic and onions is half cooked, you have to add a cherry tomato or whatever you like tomatoes, and of course the lemongrass harvested from my garden, fresh, or they call tanglad, and also the bamboo shoot or tambo, we call tambo or labong. So you have to stir it well, and you have to see that's this kind of the can guy I bought, just 1 can. I bought that in Oriental store or Korean store. I think it's already boiled it, but I boiled it again to make sure to the bamboo shoot is cooked. And now I add like 1 tablespoon of beef stock. It's like a beef powder. It's normally total, the beef powder is 2. Now the crabs. I bought the crabs slide before, but I put the refrigerator and they die. So now you have to mix it really well. And also add the shrimp. I think it's like 1.5 pounds of shrimp. As you can see, it's a big shrimp. We have skin on it. So now you have to stir it well and then bring to boil until the smell. And so now another I add like total or is 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of beef stock, like beef powder. So this food guys, I don't add salt because the beef stock is already have salt. So now the coconut milk, I just add a little bit of water, like 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 of coconut milk, and the leftover I'm gonna add this later, the coconut. So now bring to boil the bamboo and shrimp and some of the vegetable and also of course crabs. You have to boil it. As you can see, shout out to all my subscribers, silent viewers. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, to those my co-YouTuber. Now, as you can see, they put the leftover of coconut milk. And thank you so much guys. Please leave comment. To those who don't subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. So you need to try it guys. So now I bring to boil na the crabs and shrimp is boiling. It's so yummy. And also I add black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. It's up to you guys if you want a little bit spicy your crabs or something. Now I add the okra, which I cut a little bit small size, and then I mash it, so making sure the slimy is coming out. It's good for the bambus or labong. And also after that, I add saluyot and water spinach, and also saluyot and water spinach, and I mash that with the salt. Shout out to all my co-YouTuber friends, family, and especially to all my silent viewers and subscribers. To all you idol, thank you so much. And subscribe, leave comment, share, like, and don't forget to post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you always updated. So now guys, I turn and mix it well, the crabs and also the shrimp. Make it sure it's cooked really good. Guys, it's very good. Everything I got fresh from vegan except the seafoods. So now I finish all the coconut milk, which I add the coconut milk is 1 can of coconut milk. So I add this sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's super. So bring to boil, guys, and leave it a little bit until the ingredients and also crabs cook. As you can see, it's super yummy. You have to try, guys. It's really good to eat with rice. So now the crabs and the shrimp is ready to serve. Subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to post the notification bell and leave comment, please. Thank you so much. God bless. Stay safe. I love you all and see you in my next video.